Hi everyone and welcome to my craft room. So today is going to be a video on the next series of the rolled roses videos. Now one of the ladies in my class asked if I could make some design sheets that she could print out, but she wanted to make the roses larger than what I normally do. So the small ones that we usually have on our cards are only little, so she wanted something a bit bigger to have as a focal flower. So this is what I've come up with. I've come up with the duo sheet, so that each sheet has 2 rolled roses elements on and some rose leaves, and the sheet comes in pink or purple. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the big scissors and we're just going to make the area smaller to cut round, and then all we're going to do is we're going to cut into the centre first. Now the first cut into the centre, you don't have to worry about it too much, because this edge here is what's going to be at the base of your rose, so you're not really going to see it, so you don't have to worry too much about being so precise. It's the other side, it's the decorative edge that you want to be as neat as possible. So the lady that asked us to design these sheets loves the rolled roses, the ones I do with the decorative edge scissors. These ones. So I made these with the frilly decorative edge. That's where the inspiration came from. Alright, so I'm going to cut into the centre there, and then all I'm going to do is going to cut round, and then we're going to go back the other way. Now this is the side that you want to pay a little bit more attention to and try and have as least white as possible around the edges. Now the wiggly wavy lines are there to give the shape to the petals, so the more wiggles you have, the more shape your rose is going to have. And I just wanted to show people that you don't need fancy tools. Normally I would use my culling tool when I'm making the rolled roses, but I'm going to show you how you can get away with just using a wood kebab stick or a paintbrush. So there's my rolled rose element cut out. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off with this pointy end. Now you could use a wooden kebab stick, a skewer, or a slim paintbrush, whatever you have to hand. And all you're going to do is you're just going to take the tip of the design and you're just going to roll it onto the kebab stick. Now as you're rolling, you're going to give the little kebab skewer a twist, and what you're going to try and do is make it as even as you can, so that you're rolling up on top of each other, not rolling down the kebab stick. Once you've been around a few times, you can take the kebab stick out and you can continue to roll by hand. So once you've started, these are quite quick and easy to put together. And you just keep rolling until it's all done and you're back to the centre. Now I've designed this as I say, to be the large sheet. I am going to do different sizes and different colours in the shops. Please keep an eye out for those. It just makes it quick and easy, so you can just print them out and make them up whenever you need them. So I'm just come right to the end there, and then there's a large circular bit. This is for you to pop down for the rose to stand on. So I'm just going to pop that back for a second, and I'm just going to use my glue gun, and I'm just going to let that go, and I'm going to bring it all together, and I'm just going to give that a gentle press. And that's my purple rose made. So there's the purple and there's the pink. I hope you've liked this little video. If you have, please check out the other rolled roses and other flower forming videos in the gallery. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. If you can, share the video with your crafty and card making friends, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.